A lot of students have seen start ACCA saying that it's a very easy exam to do. और जो ACCA शुरू करता है वो तो पास हो ही जाता है. Is this true? Is this a myth or a fact? I'm going to bust that today. And I'm going to tell you everything about the ACCA examiner's expectations, so stay tuned till the very end. Okay? Now, ACCA exams are not easy. Okay? No professional exam is ever easy. That's period. Let's decode what the ACCA exams are like, and then I'm going to help you conclude yourself whether they are easy or difficult. Number one, ACCA exams do not test rote learning. They do not test merely memory. The exams only and only test a lot of application. Now, every ACCA paper that you see is designed in such a way that it wants to bring out a host of skills within you. They want to test your ability to do critical thinking, number crunching, decision making, professionalism, ethics, your ability to grasp various situations in various business scenarios. So they really want to bring out those skills, and every question in the exam is set in such a way that they are trying to see how well you are able to apply what you've done in textbooks. तो आपको कभी कोई exam में ऐसा question नहीं मिलेगा which will say define or it will say merely write 5 points. नहीं, unlike a lot of our college and university exams. Okay. Another very important thing that you need to know is that every ACCA exam is happening on the computer, okay? Which means within the exam software you will see Excel spreadsheets drop down where you need to crunch numbers, or you will probably see Word documents where you need to actually type out an answer exactly the way you are going to work. तो आपका एग्जामिनर आपका हैंडराइटिंग टेस्ट नहीं कर रहा है, आपका एग्जामिनर आपका length of the answer नहीं check कर रहा है, you know, unlike a lot of Indian exams where you know our teachers and tutors tell her underline, bring the examiner's focus, वो सब चीज़ों का टेस्टिंग नहीं हो रहा है यहाँ पे जो टेस्टिंग हो रहा है वो सिर्फ आप कितना अच्छी तरीके से आपने जो कॉन्सेप्ट पढ़े हैं उनको इम्प्रॉम्प्टू सिचुएशंस में कैसे अप्लाई कर सकते हो. ओके, सो द क्वेश्चंस आर ट्रिकी, द क्वेश्चंस कैन रियली ट्विस्ट यू, द क्वेश्चंस कैन रियली चैलेंज यू, एंड देयरफॉर द राइट preparation, the right grilling, the right approach is very very vital if you want to crack these exams. Okay, आप एक traditional Indian exam लिखते हैं वो वाले mindset से अगर से exams approach करेंगे तो you may not be able to get the desired results. Another important thing you need to note is ACCA exams 4 times a year होते हैं, first week of March, June, September and December. Now generally every student is writing at least one exam a quarter. तो when you're writing one exam every 3 months, इसके pros भी हैं और cons भी हैं. कौन ये है कि भाई you're writing one exam every 3 months, you're always at the edge of your seats, unlike our college or other Indian exams which happen once in 6 months or at the end of the year. But the pro is that since you're writing one paper at a time, your focus and concentration on that paper is so amazing, so beautiful that you're able to clear it faster, and once cleared it's cleared forever. Okay, so because of all of these reasons, आप अगर ACCA का pass rates analyze करेंगे, and as you can see on the screens I've actually brought you the pass rates of the recent September exam that happened. Every paper has got a pass rate of averaging between 45 to 55%. So like average अगर ये लिए सब pass rates का, it's always between 48 to 52%. So 50% अपन assume कर सकते हैं एक average pass rate होगा of the various exams. Now ये pass rates अगर आप देखें in comparison to Indian exams, जैसे CA exam का pass rate होता है वो 10 to 15% होता है. So the pass rates are significantly higher than Indian exams, not because the exam is easy, because the exam is student friendly and doable. So the way I want to conclude with you is ACCA exams are not easy. Don't do it because they're easy. ACCA exams are more student friendly and doable.